We're here right now with the coach of unfortunately, the losing team today, Coach Phillip Williams. Please speak to us about your team's performance.
I mean, today was one of those days. I think in the first half, we were gifted a number of chances by the JC backline, and we did not manage to put away any of those chances. But it's just one of those days. I think the boys gave a good performance in the first half. Second half, they got a little bit winded because most of them were out there playing with the flu, which is going around and affecting most of the teams now. So it's overall, I think it was a good game, a good first half, a very, very, very promising first half. Second half is one that we just have to move on from.
Do you think you guys are overwhelmed with quality, or do you think you guys could have actually beat Jamaica College on the day?
That's a question that in hindsight you can say anything. JC is a very quality team, and they have what it takes to superimpose themselves on teams. But I think if what we did in the first half was something that we sustained in the second half, it would have been a much more better performance from us. But I mean, JC is a good team definitely, but it's not one that we'll say that overwhelmed us.
Alright, quarterfinals done and dusted in the rearview mirror. Staths is looking forward to the semi-final. Speak to us about how you begin to prepare for the semi-final.
The preparation for semi-final starts long time before now, from way in the summer. It's about mental preparation right now. The coaches have done what they all they can do. It's just about the boys being hungry for success and execute what they have practiced right throughout the summer.
And going into the semi-finals, one of two opponents, Mona or KC. Do you have a preference as who you'd rather to face?
I think you asked me that question the last time, and the answer is the same. It doesn't matter who we face. We have to get by opponent to get to the final, and both teams that made it out of the other zone are very good teams. So anyone would be a tough opponent, and we just have to prepare ourselves for that.
And lastly, how do you go about improving from this game onto the next game?
I wouldn't say improve from this game. We have performance that surpass this game's performance. It's not a matter of improving from this game. It's just back to what we normally do, and we'll be okay. Semi-final, we'll have the inclusion of Shaquan Satchel in the team and some others that were rested today.
All right, Coach. Thank you so much for talking to us. Good luck in the semi-final.
Yeah, man.